dudes? It's a little bit windy. It's kind of cold, maybe a little too cold for just a hoodie. And it's not rainy, but it's not exactly nice. But I'm on my way right now to this basically like a castle. Balance point's not that hard to hold on this bike. Only like a couple videos ago I was not so good at wheeling it though. Who's that? You good, bro? You good? Yeah. Oh, it's not dead or anything? Oh, okay. I was just checking.
I was like, right, shit, I almost got hit by a car. I'm like, whoo!
You almost got hit?
Yeah, we're here.
Dang.
Yeah, that's cool.
Did you just take a breather?
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you. I was just going over there to that thing so I could take some pictures or something of it.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Here's the castle. We're here. Wow, this is not as cool as I remember, I'm not gonna lie. I remember this thing being so much cooler. But we'll just pull over in the grass, I guess, and try to get some pics. Oh, it says private property right here in this grass. Hopefully it doesn't matter. I don't think. My bike's not hurting nothing. Okay. Oh, dude. I hadn't been out here that long. My back's already hurting, dude. We got some pictures though. Oh my god. Gotta put my key on. Yeah. I don't know. Hopefully they turn out good. I'm not like super good at getting videos and angles and stuff. So I'm like, okay, you know, the camera kind of makes up for the rest of it. Hopefully the camera makes it look good enough. Now I guess I just go explore or something. I don't know. Oh, there's a cop car right there. Huh. These roads are pretty cool. I just wish they weren't so shitty. They're like so bumpy. I think I've been out here before. I think I kind of know where I am. Because there's like a fishing spot of private property that you can get kicked out of. Somewhere, it's like back in here. It's behind this fence, I think. And it's got like this big ass cliff. It's like, it's kind of cool. Oh, maybe it's not here. I don't know. Yeah. No, I think it is. It's somewhere around here. And yeah, dude, I think I've heard that people have fallen off the cliff, but I don't know if that's true. It might have just been something that people said back in high school to scare you. Oh, you want to go fishing at this cliff where people have fallen off? Hell no. What up, lady? I'm not really dipping this bike, I'm just kind of holding it up there like really steady. I like dipping, but I know I can't go for a scrape. I'd have to go upside down. Gosh dang, this bike is so easy, guys. If you're looking for a stunt bike, just go buy this bike. Don't do that. That would be so stupid. Woo! Yeah, it's windy going this way though, so it's slightly more sketchy. It's gonna be like what was it, ice rain, and like ice rain on Wednesday and then possibly snow on Thursday. Now this is Texas though, and so we're gonna have like 80-degree weather on Monday, and then like, or like it's like 70 Monday, 40 Tuesday, ice rain Wednesday. And so I don't really believe it till I see it. There's been way too many times as a kid where I was like, oh, we're gonna get snow, yeah, and then boom, you get nothing. That looks like the same bike that I saw broken down, but it's definitely not the same person. But it has more black, less green, and a bald guy with no helmet. The other guy had a helmet. Ah, okay, yeah. Anyway, see you later.